Mr. Indian Hacker's videos are a feast of experiments that are equally engaging and educational. Imagine a science class that won't bore you to tears, but instead keeps you at the edge of your seat. That's exactly the thrill you get. Think about the times in chemistry class when you want to see an experiment, but can't due to safety concerns. Watching his channel allows you to witness these thrilling moments, like a front row seat to excitement without the risk of being scolded by a teacher. Now let's talk about those common pain points. You know that frustration when you try a DIY project and it doesn't work? His videos address this head on by often showing what doesn't work as well, saving you from firsthand mistakes. How satisfying is that? Each video follows a structured and engaging format, ensuring that you're not lost in chaos, but are actually learning something new. From building an air conditioner to testing extreme life hacks, the content is varied yet relatable. Pro tip, pay attention to the safety measures he emphasizes. That's another important takeaway. Safety is cool. You'll notice how he uses intuitive ways to keep things safe and controlled while still delivering peak entertainment. Ever wanted to replicate an experiment yourself, but worried about the materials? Fear not. Indian Hacker often uses easily available stuff, which makes you more likely to try it yourself with items lying around at home. The visuals are compelling, almost cinematic at times, making mundane science a visual treat. Whether it's a slow motion chemical reaction or a funny mishap, these visuals will keep your eyes glued to the screen with anticipation. A lot of the appeal comes from the idea of making science fun and breaking down that old barrier of science being just for geeks. Here's a channel proving everyone can get in on it and actually enjoy doing it. Another highlight is the community interaction. Mr. Indian Hacker actively encourages viewers to submit their own ideas for future videos, which empowers the audience to be part of the creative process. It's like having your own voice in the science experiment narrative. That is pretty awesome, if you ask me. Consistency is key, and he nails it. Regular uploads keep his audience hungry for more. The anticipation of the next experiment is almost like waiting for the next episode of your favorite TV show. You don't want to miss out. If you're ever puzzled about a topic and don't know where to start, Mr. Indian Hacker might just have a video for it. It's like a search engine for cool experiments. And kind of like you'll be surprised at how many aha moments you might get from his playlists. So I say give it a shot. Whether you love or loathe science, Mr. Indian Hacker offers an escape to everyone packed with entertainment and education. It's science, but it feels like playtime. And who wouldn't want that